Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you to the beautiful coastal city of Mar del Plata, Argentina, where I had the chance to explore and sketch some of the most iconic spots in the area. From stunning viewpoints to incredible wildlife, this city has a lot to offer, and I can't wait to share my experience with you. Mar del Plata is one of Argentina's most popular beach destinations, known for its vibrant atmosphere, beautiful coastline, and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're into relaxing on the beach or exploring historical landmarks, there's something here for everyone. On my visit, I decided to combine my love for sketching with my love for travel, capturing the essence of the city through my art. The first place I wanted to sketch was this iconic and impressive building. This historic tower, which dates back to the early 20th century, is perched on a cliff overlooking the ocean, offering stunning views of the coastline. Its unique architecture blends Moorish and medieval styles, and it stands out as one of the most photographed landmarks in Mar del Plata. Next up, I visit the Tanque Tower, another fascinating landmark with a rich history. This former water tower, which was once part of the city infrastructure, now stands as a quirky, almost surreal monument. It's a great spot for panoramic views of the city and the sea, and I couldn't resist sketching it from the ground up. After exploring the towers, I made my way to the Basilica of San Pedro, or simply the Basilica of Mar del Plata. This stunning neo-Gothic cathedral stands in the heart of the city and shows off intricate architecture and beautiful stained glass windows. I took a moment to sketch the facade, focusing on the intricate details of the church's design. The spires and arches, along with the peaceful atmosphere of the surrounding square, made it a perfect spot to sit and sketch. One of the highlights of my trip was the coastal walk along the waterfront. The path stretches along the edge of the ocean, offering spectacular views of the beaches, cliffs, and the city. As I made my way along the walk, I came across one of the most exciting surprises of the trip, the sea lions. These playful creatures had gathered on the rocks near the water, basking in the sun and occasionally popping their heads out of the water. Mar del Plata is truly a beautiful blend of history, culture, and nature, and sketching these incredible spots was such a special experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this journey through Mar del Plata, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more travel and sketching content. I can't wait to share my next adventure with you. See you in the next video.